Here's exactly how I set up my streaming layout for a class from scratch in under a minute. First, I open Ecamm Live and select my main camera and microphone. I connect my iPad as a second source for live annotation. This is where thinking becomes visible. I build 3 layers: my presence, my content, and my thinking. This keeps students engaged visually and cognitively. I create multiple scenes: intro, teaching, problem solving. Scene switching keeps movement intentional and attention focused. Once I'm ready, I activate virtual camera and I send this directly into Zoom. And if you prefer hardware switching, the Rodecaster video gives you similar scene control without relying fully on software. And that's how you turn your Zoom into a studio, not with more tech, but with better design.